Hey, how you doing? Thank you for tuning in to Unboxing with Marty. In this video, well, here's a pretty good clue on what we're going to do here. I've got this cardboard box here. This label here tells us there is a battery in here, and we're going to unbox it. And what we're going to do with that battery is we are going to replace the battery in this HP laptop. So let's get to it. You've tuned in to Unboxing with Marty, where you'll find videos on unboxing, how-to, software, and occasionally something different. Okay, first things first, let's unbox this and let's take a look at the battery that's inside of here. You can see here it's pretty well secured with tape, so we're gonna have to cut that tape off. We'll get that started right now. Let's see, where do we start? We're gonna cut here. Flip it around, we're gonna cut here. Let's see where else we gotta cut. Okay, we're gonna be careful here. Let's see what we can do here. Right. Well, I gotta say, it's pretty good packaging. There we go, I've got the battery right here. So we're gonna set this aside. We won't need this, so we're gonna set this aside as well. Now we have to access the laptop so we can replace the battery. A couple of tools that we're going to need is we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to need a prying tool. You'll see how I use this later. This is to remove the rubber feet. And another type of prying tool that I will use, it looks kind of like a guitar pick, and you'll see how I use that later on. Let's flip it over. Let's remove the rubber feet here. What I'm going to do is, you can see there's an adhesive on the back side of this, so I'm just going to attach it here just to hold it in place. And then let's remove the second set of rubber feet here. Let's see how this goes. So now I'm going to just, to keep it simple, I'm just going to stick it here lightly just so I don't misplace it. So let's go ahead and remove the screws here. Let's do this. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay these out in the fashion that I removed them. That way I can remember where they should be replaced. Go. Next step is we're going to pry this open so we can access the battery. So let's take a look here. We're going to use this tool. You know, it kind of looks like a guitar pick. Time to pry this open. Just try to start here and see if we can start separating. You can hear it popping. Here, we'll turn it so you can see it. Just slide this prying tool around. This one goes pretty easy because I've opened this up before. But just be patient, don't force it, and you should be okay. Okay, now we're gonna flip it around carefully. We're gonna try to lift it up. Here we go. We're gonna set it aside. So here we are, here's the battery. Let's take a look at it. We got a screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here. So we're going to go ahead and remove it. Right. Let's see what we can do here. Just slide it out. It's pretty simple. Right, so just remember, you have to dispose of it properly. Here's the new battery. We're going to slide the battery into place. Looks good. Take the first screw here. You can see here, I don't know if you can see this, but they have a little slot here, like a little peg that pops up, helps you line it in. So the screw will go right here. There's a little peg right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it helps you line the battery up. Okay, got the battery in. Time to put the back on. So you just lay it into place, let it pop. You can feel it, you'll hear it snap. It'll pop into place. There you go, you hear that? So just carefully work it around. And then what I'll do is I'm just gonna open it up and just give it another check around here. Make sure it's in secure. There, see, there was an extra pop there. Good, another pop. Just make sure you do it right. There you see, you got that all good. The next, what we're going to do is we're gonna put the screws back in. Let's take a look, see what we got here. All right. Oh, see, there's more spots I had to pop in. Did you see that? So you just make sure you go around it, make sure it's secure. And let's just put it together. And again, I laid these screws out so I know exactly where they go. So this will be just simple reassembly. Okay, last step is we're going to replace the rubber feet. Just carefully line it up into the slot. There you go, looks nice. Same thing for the second rubber feet, rubber foot. Just line it up into the slot carefully. And you're all set. The task is complete. That'll pretty much conclude this video. What we did here is we replaced the battery in this HP laptop. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if this video, well, if you enjoyed it and it was a benefit to you, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe buttons below. Be sure to tell your friends about it. And as always, thank you for watching.